Good day, good people. Welcome to Good. Today's AOT of the day is more Pokemon Happy Meal toys, and this time we got 4 from week 3 and week 4. So let's open week 3 first. We got these two, and this is called the Dragon Discovery card set. We have one Dragapult and one Hydreigon. Let's see what's in Dragapult. This is the pack artwork. It's the same for all the boxes. And then we have the activity sheet, as well as the stickers. And the funny thing about the stickers is there are different Pokemon body parts. There's a head of Charizard and 3 different wings. And for this activity sheet, I realized that one Pokemon is usually featured when it's folded up. So this time it's like half of Dragapult. Usually it's here, like one side. Okay. This side is a poster. They feature Umbreon even though it's not a dragon type Pokemon. And then we have a lot of Pokemon. Head, wing, full Pokemon, Hatenna. So it's all numbered. And then most importantly, what's in the Dragon Discovery pack? Gotta open it like that because the holo card is not a surprise. I have to do a bit of card trick. Okay, first card we got Charizard as usual. Zoom in on all the card artwork. Eevee, Hatenna, and the holo is hopefully no duplicate. Koraidon. Can't remember what I have. So we got Koraidon, Pikachu. Okay, not a duplicate, that's good. I will leave that. Oops. Okay, next we have Hydreigon. There are a total of 15 cards to collect, if I remember correctly. And I've also opened week 1 and week 2, which you can check out on my channel or in the description below. How do I open this? Pack. Activity sheet. Oh, Pikachu. Cute face. And Dragonite. We probably all know which body part this belongs to. Okay, we check out the activity sheet. This is the poster page, Eevee, and this is the activity page. Nice sky background. Now for the pack. In my week 1 and week 2 videos, I also played the digital game, which was quite fun. You can go check them out. I'll link in the description below. Hopefully no duplicate. Is that correct? No, it's wrong. It's this way. Umbreon, Jigglypuff, Quicksire, and Oh no, I think it's a duplicate. Dragon. Yup. Both are off center. Okay, now for week 4, we have these two dragons, Roaring Moon and Koraidon. Okay, Roaring Moon first. Activity sheet, we got a wing, stickers, Umbreon in full, Jigglypuff, Pikachu, nice. Okay, poster first, 3 Pokemon, then we have 2 big dragons and 3 mini ones, mini Pokemon. This looks like a swamp, right? Oh, I forgot. Okay, never mind. Dragonite, not a duplicate, so that's a good thing. Charizard, Quagsire and Eevee. Dragonite is cute. And the last for today's video, Koraidon. Activity sheet, Pikachu's tail, his big face. How I know it's a he? Because of the tail. A lot of green. Poster page, and activity sheet page. This is like dawn, right, when the sun is setting. Okay, and for the pet, ASMR. Holo card. Back to never mind. Umbreon, Eevee, Hatenine, Drampa. Do I have Drampa? No. Yes, good. So it's not a duplicate card. I have currently 2 Pikachus, 2 Hydreigon, now 1 Drampa added to the collection. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I should have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, correct. So I will catch you again next week for more boxes. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you can like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I will see you again soon.